Good evening, everyone. Today we are going to see about the Zentangle. Normally, Zentangle is nothing but it is an African art. Okay. It's an African art, and in that it is nothing.
दादी क्या करेंगी?
What is that? Yes, it is an African art. Okay. And it actually it is done colorful, dashing colors are used in that. We are going to do something that like that only art. One of the art we are going to do. I've asked you to get any canvas board, isn't it? This canvas board we need to take it, and on that we are going to do 3D work with the Zentangle. Okay, Zentangle is nothing but something like doodling art. Doodling art is also what you call it as scribbling art. For time pass, it was actually started, but now it has become a trend that everyone are doing the art. The thing is, we need to use different dashing colors should be used, and some scribbling pattern, same repeated patterns of work should be done on that. That you call it as Zentangle. Okay. One second, ma. Like I start. The thing is now we are going to use so many different colors of colors. We are going to use acrylic colors. Okay, different colors, and the 3D outliners or cone liners of these kinds can be used. And on the canvas board, I have asked you to do it, and we'll be using chart for this. Okay, chart we'll be using it. First, initially, you take the chart. Now you can follow the, see, 40 minutes, it may wind up, okay? If you want, you can join the link after it is cut, okay? You can join it again with that same link. I believe everyone, you can see the chart, what I'm having. You need to have some square chart like this. The thing is, we are going to fold it 1 inch to all the sides. The size of the chart, what we are folding, it can be of your choice. It can be 1 inch or more than that. If you want also, you can do it. See that you are folding it properly. The creasing should be done nicely, okay? All the 4 sides, it should be uniform. You know how to take the square piece and all, isn't it? That those are all simple things. Just by taking a triangle, you can just take a square piece, and approximately at least you need to have all the sides. We need to have the same folding. You need to do it like this. Approximately it should be same, okay? The folding, what we are doing, that will be the height for the 3D effect. Okay? See, 4 sides now we have folded. You can see 4 lines, isn't there? The 4 sides we have folded. Same level you need to fold one more time in all the 4 sides. All the 4 sides we need to do that same thing again. It should be even. See that all the sides you are creasing it properly, so that two lines will be there for each side. Can you see the crease mark, like 2 sides, 2 marking lines will be there. Same way, all the 4 sides we need to do it. If it is not equal, then it may not be coming out properly. Okay, see that you are doing it correctly. If not, again, even you can fold it. While folding, keep it in mind that you have to remove the first folding and then only you have to do the second folding. If you are folding it like rolling like this and all, it will not come out properly. Okay, now we are having like 4 corners. You have no the inside 4 things. Can you see here? There, if you want, you can make a marking even. This inside line, that marking should be done. The intersection of the line should be marked. Okay, if you want, you can mark it, or if you are confident enough, you can do it directly. Like opposite sides, I'm drawing lines just because you are new. Okay, you need to know about this. I'm just making a line. See, like this, you make a marking and then you just cut over that line. Only till that point you need to cut. You should not go beyond that. If you make it like that, then there will be a hole and all. So be careful while cutting it. All the 4 sides in the sense, only opposite 2 sides will be doing. These both sides will not be cutting it. Only 4 sides will be cutting it. 2 sides and 2 sides opposite to it. Yeah, just correctly till that point you have to stop it. Then you just fold this portion. Again, crease this part nicely. Crease it nicely so that it is folding properly. Again, once again, you just make the folding nicely. Crease it. Same way, all the sides we need to do it.
Excuse me, can you repeat the process once again?
See, one thing what we are going to do is that 3D effect we are going to give for this, okay, for this board. So I've taken the square piece, and square piece we need to fold all the sides in 1 inch, approximately 1 inch I have folded. Likewise, all the 4 sides 1 inch you fold first. Then again you have to do one more folding in that same size. The top one and the bottom one should be the same. So we need to fold it again in all the 4 sides. You have to fold it, and then inside that 2 parallel lines will be seen all the sides. The 2 creasing lines will be seen for in all the sides. In that, the middle point, the intersection point alone, you just mark it and keep. That is for our convenience. We are marking it. And just opposite sides alone, you just cut it. All the 4 sides, it's going to be same. Select 2 sides and then you cut it. Just opposite sides alone, you just make a cut till the point. Okay, now we are clear, I think. Then after that, you just fold this portion. All the creasing points, you just fold it again and keep. All the sides you have to do it. Here we'll be having piece like this, okay? This folding part, it should come like this and overlap it with this. Now I think you can understand. Just overlap this. You'll get something like box effect, you'll be getting it. Okay, something like this you need to overlap. Same way, this side also you just try it. Now we have got something like box, isn't it? On this only we are going to do the painting. Okay, if you want, you can just paste this portion. If you are okay with your box, it is nice. If you feel that, then you can leave it like that itself. I'm taking this board. On this, I wanted to paste this, okay? If you want, you can make the a piece like this itself. If you want, I can repeat this also. Like, if you want, I can tell you, or we need not waste the time doing these things. We need to paste this on this, and then we'll be drawing the design over it. Okay, if you feel that this part is little too tall, then you can make one more thing where you can fold only 3/4 of the thing, inches you can fold, and you can make it little bit flat even and do. It is your wish only how you are going to do it. Okay. Now I'm going to paste this part here. In this board, I'm going to paste it. It is better to use anything like A plus glue or Fevicol or anything which will stick nicely. Use such type of glue, okay? Apply glue on the sides of the chart and then you can do it. Just over this portion if you apply even enough. I think everyone can understand what I'm telling. If you want Fevibond or something like that also you can use it, but A plus itself it is going out well only. You can very well paste with this. Don't force too much of glue, then it will be a messy thing only. It will not stick properly. If you want, you can paste these flaps and all inside. But since the time factor is there, I'm just doing it like this itself. If you want, you can just paste it and then you can start doing this one. For you people, the time factor is not at all a thing. So take time and do it nicely, okay? Just for demo purpose, I'm doing it like this.
There are
Try
so
to
many new people. Can you repeat once again?
Okay. See, the thing is, first we are. I'll show you in the small paper how to do it. Okay. Till then, let it dry. I'll just stick to the board and I'm making it dry. Okay. Actually, a drying part even it is not necessary. We can start doing it immediately even. I'll show you. You know how to take a square piece of paper, isn't it? Like you need to take a, just fold it like this. Take a square bit. I'm doing it with the paper available with me. Okay. I've asked you to have your own charts. Have square sheet like this. This is the miniature what we did earlier. Okay. See this part we have done. We have taken a square piece like this. Fold it on all the four sides. Fold it on all the four sides to 1 inch or quarter inch, whatever size, but all the sides should be same level of folding. All the sides you need to do this. Then again, one more fold to that same height we have to fold it. Okay. It is a miniature what we have done it earlier. Okay. Don't get confused. That same thing only I'm teaching you in this. Now you can see two lines in all the sides. Can you all see that? Yes. Then for our convenience, we can mark this portion. The intersection of both the lines, second lines, no? The second line, second folding, what we have done, that intersection lines, you just mark it. After marking, you can cut just opposite sides alone. You just make a marking and just cut it till that point. Till that point alone, you have to cut it. You should not cut it more than that. Then there will be a hole when we make a box like thing. Okay. Like this we need to do. Then again, I'm doing it like folding it like this. All the sides we need to fold it. All the creasing point, you make it a point to crease it again. Then you will get a simple box. This part you need to fold it again inside. The flap which is coming out separately like this, no? You just again, you bend it towards inside and just crease it. Only for creasing, we are folding it again inside. Same way, both the sides you do and keep. After that, taking the flaps out, you just intersect both the thing and just make a folding inside. With the other side, you just make a folding inside. Can you see? This is the box we have done. If you want, you can paste here, this portion and this portion, you can just paste it and then you can paste on the board. Just keep it over this, okay? 3D effect of the thing only. Like if you want in the center also, you can keep, or you think this is the board and just place it wherever you want. I have kept it in the center, okay? If you wanted it to be here in the corner or anywhere, you can just keep it. Or this also, if you want, we can include and we can do. Just apply little glue over the sides, you can just apply. See that very good glue is used, okay? Don't make any liquid glue, just spoil the place, okay? You just have something like a Fevibond or something. A plus is really looking, it is working out well for this work. Now I think everyone are clear with this. After doing this, just paste it to one side. Wherever you want, you can paste it, okay? Just make it. Can you all see what we have done? Same way only we have done this also. The size of the paper is bigger. Here the size of the paper is small. On this, what we are going to do is just by keeping it like this, itself it will stick. See, now it has stuck nicely. So if few minutes, this also it will get stuck nicely. This is nothing but the doodling art only, that is scribbling art. This was done only for time pass, but now it has become a trend that everyone are using this, something in mandala art and all the types. So many arts have come out of this. Zentangle art and Zen doodling is there. So many things are there. On this, what we are going to do is, this is my own idea. If you have your own idea, you can do like whatever you want. Multicolor, we are going to do it. Since because it is the white color board, we need not do primer. If you are using any other board like MDF or any other thing, just you can make one primer coat and then you can use that. I wanted the design to be on both the things. Whatever may be the height of the thing, you need to draw over that place also, you need to do it. In a random manner, I'm just splitting it, okay? So that in each division, I'll be doing some other pattern of design. Same pattern of design I'll be doing. Each place will have different patterns. That you can make it bring on this also. This is only rough sketch I'm doing it, okay? If you are confident enough in drawing, you can do like this. Or make one simple coloring over all the places and then you can do the art. See, this is what I have done now. Random splitting of the portion I have done it, okay? It is not that exactly square and circles or something like that I have done. Randomly I have split the thing. We have got so many varieties of scribbling actually, we should tell. It is something like Zentangle is same pattern of design repeated again and again to particular place. That is the art. So I'm Mehendi designs and all, whatever type of Mehendi designs, if you know, like you can just do it on this. Any abstract designs you can draw. See, something like this I have drawn now. Before drawing this design, I'm going to give pale colors, light colors of different shades to each box I'm going to give. It is simple art only, but you can explore in this a lot. Just because so much big areas are there, I'm taking different colors. You can make just color it, okay? If you want the same color and lighter color shade also, you can take and do it. It is our own wish only. If you are coloring a dark color, then do it light color near. Contrast colors can be taken and done. Just I'm making a coating of that color. It can be a lighter shade or darker shade. While touching your this portion fully, I'm going to do it with red. On this, with 3D outliners, we can make the pattern design, or you can use this paint itself and do it with thin brush on it. If the colors are a little bit lighter only, like while applying itself, once if we apply, it is going to be light only. Such a nice art actually. I was happy to see all your coffee paintings. You did it really well. Like that only, I want you to do this also. Have your own patterns, have your own idea and do it. Not that everyone should do the same thing as such. Only then it is good that you will improve your imagination also. I believe everyone can see this part, what I am doing. Touch only very little of water because we are using chart. It may not absorb water more, or it will get sober. Soggy, it will become, so it is better. Use only very little of water, wash the brush nicely, wipe it in the cloth, and then go for the other color. If you are going to color that same thing for 2 or 3 places, then you can use that same color. But now that I have got so many shades, I want to give all the colors in this. If you want to have any plain portion, white left as such, that also you can do it. It is not an thing. Each portion I am giving different colors, okay? And that each pattern also will differ for all the divisions. Be careful that these sides also, it should be covered nicely. Only then the look will be good. See that you give only very lightly. Then on that, while giving the pattern design, it will look good. Too much of paint is also not good. Too much of water is also not good. Okay, too much of paint, it will make very stiff. Too much of water, it will make it soggy. Likewise, in all the places, we need to give the shades. If you want double color shades also, you can give. But here itself, we are giving so many colors we are going to use, no? So I thought no need to give shades and all. If you give shading also, it will be very nice only. But now I don't have time to do those things. I'm giving you idea, you can do it. All the colors can be used. But see to that you use the color pattern somewhat pleasing, okay? Near darker shade, you give lighter shade. Wash the brush nicely so that when you touch the lighter colors, it will not be there in that. Either with black we can do the outlining, or you can use some other contrast color for doing the outlines. Both all the sides, everywhere we need to give that same color. Actually, if we are now we are running out of time, you can join the link again with that same meeting ID and password. Okay. If you get it cut, don't worry, you can join again with that same thing. This is nothing but the doodling art only. During school or college, like during the class hours, we'll be feeling, if we are feeling bored, we'll be doing this type of work only. But without knowing what is that we are doing, we'll be doing that work. I've taken pink. Pink, I wanted it near blue. Color patterns and all, it is totally your wish only. Do it lightly, so that again when you give some other outlining or doodling art, when you do, it will be nice. See that all the portion is covered, okay? We should not leave any gap in between as white and all. All the folding part, everything, you take care that you are coloring it inside and all. It is not shown ugly. And see that the pattern, what you are coloring, the strokes are not seen to that much. Now I am changing some other color anyway. Green near red and orange would be nice only. So I am giving the combination of color is very important. See that you don't touch too much of color also. Don't give so much pressure, then you may force the box. Keep it in a comfortable place and do the work. If you do fluid art on this also, it will be nice. I've done something like that also. So fluid art also can be done in a 3D way.
Can you give a recap from the beginning?
Yeah, first we need to do this box, what the 3D effect we are giving, no, that we have to do. That by how we have to do that is take a square piece of paper or chart. I've asked you to take a chart only. Take a chart and then they fold it in all the sides in 1 inch or nearing to 1 inch. Okay, approximately 1 inch I have told. It can be more or less also. All the sides it has to be done in the same size. Then again one more folding of that same size should be done, and then you cut two of the sides alone near to that intersection point. No, you need to cut that, and then you just fold and make it into a box like this, something like this, and like this boxes you need to make. And over canvas board we need to paste it over the canvas board, either by using Fevibond or Fevicol A plus itself. It is working out well. Such a nice product, you can use it. And then later the board should be split to random way. I have split the thing. It is to your choice only. It can be any square or circle or however you want. Randomly you split the box and the board by drawing lines. Then over the separated area, I am taking a different colors of different shades, and I'm just painting on each side with that same color. Okay. Now I think everyone are clear what we have done till now. One part alone, I am just using the cerulean blue. Okay. So very little part, I'm just using this. I've given red near toward blue and then pink color. The blue which I used earlier, it was sky blue, and now I'm using cerulean blue. But see that the colors are not coming to the same area. Okay. It can be multicolor only. Whichever color you feel it is too much or you're having more, you can use that and finish for this work. Actually, coloring part, you have to take care that you need to do it very lightly. Touch only very little water, then it will be better. This part I have given. Okay. See that the strokes are not seen, then it will be good. It is not that only that design we have to do or something like that. Particular design only should be done like that. Like you can do however, whichever design you feel like you can do it. And one important color I wanted to give now, which is yellow. Actually, while choosing the color, no, it is better to use from the lighter shade to the darker shade. While you are taking the darker shade and doing it and later taking the lighter shade, it may reflect on the color what we have taken. Okay. That should be avoided. To avoid that, better start from yellow and then go for some other color. This is a simple tip, but it will be useful. Otherwise, you need to change the water of the thing again and again. You will be changing the water and doing it. Okay. See that you don't touch too much of water. Then the chart will get soggy and it will be a problem. See that the color doesn't ooze out anywhere. If we apply, if we touch little of the color and do, it is not going to be a problem. If we touch more color, then it will be a problem only. Like it will start oozing out in all the sides, then it will become a messy part. Actually, started only from yellow. Okay. I have done it today, but it is not so like it is not good to do it like that. It's a simple tip, but very much helpful in so many artworks. Yeah, I've given yellow. Now that I want to do for two of the portions here, two of the portions I need to give the color. One I choose brown, another one I am going to take a brilliant pink. Near to green and red, brown will work out well. If you